Transform your videos from amateur art to cinematic masterpiece in just a minute and a half by mastering green screen removal in Imovie. First, import your background video clip and your green screen clip into Imovie. Drag and drop them onto your timeline, making sure your green screen clip is positioned above the background clip. Now, select the green screen clip in your timeline. Next, click on the Video Overlay Settings button located above the viewer window. It looks like two overlapping squares. From the drop-down menu, choose Green. Blue Screen. Imovie will automatically start removing the green screen. Use the Softness Slider to fine-tune the edges of your subject and blend it more naturally with the background. A higher softness value will create a softer, more feathered edge. You can further refine the effect by using the cleanup or crop tools if there are any remaining green artifacts or unwanted elements in your shot. Play around with the settings to achieve the perfect look. And that's it. You've successfully removed a green screen in Imovie. Now you can unleash your creativity and place yourself in any scene imaginable. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Imovie tips and tricks.